This video now will show you how to change the currency in Facebook. I don't know if you have been traveling, you will notice that sometimes the currency is not really updated quickly with your speed of travel. So it happens to me that I was in several countries and still I can see different currencies in my marketplace. So there are few things you can do. Usually for Facebook it takes 24 hours to update your location, so it's a good thing to speed up this procedure. Is press here to update, so basically you're gonna get these currency, the correct currency, but still you get this from other countries. Also make sure that you allowed Facebook to use your location in order to update this and make your results better. You see, now I don't get any euros by letting your Facebook know your location. That works most of the case. And after, create a new listing. Also, you can do it via your phone or with your laptop. So create any listing. It doesn't have to be anything specific. The location here, make sure you have the correct location in the listing. For example, here it's still showing that I'm in Cyprus, so that is a show. And say location is approximate. No, we don't want that. We want to show the correct location here. And publish. And give it 24 hours. You'll be amazed how the currency next time when you do the listing will change.